Gargoyles. Aquaman. This is the WWE section. There's Gargano. Happy days. New Ninja Turtles, they look horrible. Who the hell? Wow. Oh, they only have one new figure. Oh, look at that. $60. Holy crap. Getting big. That game was out when I was a kid. No clue what this stuff is. What the hell is this stuff? All right, I can talk now. I was gonna go hit Walmart up here behind me, but it started to rain and now the water is evaporating on the concrete, producing massive heat. So now it's like the tropics out here. But I'm gonna do a quick review. I went to a couple GameStops. Oops. GameStop exclusive here. That's Commander Wolf from Clone Wars, and also I believe Rebels. but this is a great figure. I only saw him in the one store. I doubt he's in a whole lot of GameStops right now. He's been out for a while, so you're probably gonna have to go to eBay if you want this figure. I have 2 of those. This is Target. I saw in another guy's video that this was out. This must be a Target exclusive because there was like 4 of these and there weren't any other new line figures out. So, of course, this is Princess Leia from Empire Strikes Back. I had seen this at the New York Comic Fair or Toy Fair, and I didn't know it was this big. I just thought it was a black figure. This was at Target. I have not seen these online yet, so, and of course that's Moloch, big giant black figure, good looking, great detail. So if you're looking for this, I'd get your butt to Target. I still have yet to find the Grimorian Guard. Let's see. Got these also at GameStop. I was looking for both, so that's cool. Giant machine. I didn't really want to get this figure, but I figured, hey, why not? I saw it. This is, of course, when he was in Japan, and this was a stable. Roddy Piper was a machine. George the Animal Steel. Hulk Hogan, but being such a Hulk Hogan mark, he was still wearing red and yellow. I believe it was Axe from Demolition was in the group. Jeez, it was all big name people, but they were supposed to be, their gimmick was they were machines, wrestling robots, but you could tell, you knew who they all were. Some of them didn't even disguise their voices, but this is Andre from that time. Shit. Well, he's a little damaged, but I was kind of planning on opening this anyway, so I finally found an Elias. That was at GameStop. And of course, these are all Targets. We got Tommaso Ciampa's first Elite, but it's a member of DIY, but it's still a good looking figure. Next we got Johnny Gargano. I don't know about that head scan, but it's also his time in DIY, his first Elite. And damn, we got Ron Simmons from his WCW days, and yes, the belt actually says WCW for all you belt whores. They made it unbelievably small, I don't know why, but this is when he defeated Vader to become WCW World Champion. And there's right there. Not very a detailed or graphic figure. They know what they were doing here. People were going to buy it alone just for the belt. And that's pretty much what I did. But that's it for today, guys. This is supposed to be Hurricane Day, but it's really not affecting us. It just started to rain off and on in the last 40 minutes. But it's, as you can see, it has stopped. There's nothing going on here. The winds are just kind of barely moving. But I hear it's getting hit kind of hard up in the Panhandle, but I haven't checked to see what category it was when it landed, but I don't believe the newscasters very much as a veteran of living in Florida. But anyway, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Share, hit like, leave a comment, all that good stuff. Hit the notification button to receive future content. That's it for now. This Sunday's Bound for Glory. I'll have a predictions video up for that, and I will also do a live reactions video for that on Sunday, so stay tuned for that as well. I'm thinking about going to an event that's happening soon this month, but I can score tickets for it, but I don't know that I want to drive to it. But I'm not going to talk about it unless I get the tickets. But that's it for now, guys. Mad Viking out. Thanks for watching. Peace.